In this short video, Piper and I are going to show you the plants and flowers section of the plant company website and how to get the most out of it. Let's get started. The plants and flowers section of the website has literally thousands of plants categorized into different types, garden styles and garden uses. So if we look at the different ones by type, we can find climbers, conifers, palms, roses, etc. And if we look at garden styles, we can find plants that are suitable for coastal gardens, cottage gardens, New Zealand native gardens, rock gardens, etc. The next type of category is by their usage. So if I'm looking for a plant for an arch, for an avenue, or for a border, ground cover, or even for a pool area, I'm going to click on one of these links to find the plants that are suitable for that type of usage. And the final way we're categorised is by their Latin name. So if you know the start of the Latin name, then you'll find them in their groupings down here. Now let's say we want to find a hedge. Okay, and I'm going to use the hedging example to show you how the filters on this part of the website work. We click on hedging, and on the right hand side we have a whole lot of different options for hedges. As I want to limit my selection, and I want to find a New Zealand native hedge. I want one for taupo, not too worried about the flower colour or the usage of the garden style. So let's see what we've got as a returned option. So one of the options is the Broadway mint, so I'm going to click on that one. When I get to the screen, I'm greeted with fantastic images of the plant, and I can scroll through the images. Generally there's a few images of each plant, and that's a pretty cool one. If this one is a hedge, I can scroll down the screen a bit further and I can learn a bit more about the plant. I can see that it's going to grow to 5 metres tall and 3 metres wide if I don't trim it. It's hardy to coastal conditions, it's a hardy plant overall, tolerant of wind, and I can keep reading down there for its uses and garden styles it's suited to, and I can read that information in paragraph form over on this side here. As I scroll up, I can see there's different size options available to me, and generally the larger the size container, the bigger the plant. But let me show you something pretty cool that we've done with the pricing. So let's say I'm after a 100 centimetre plant and I want 5 of them. So you can see that the pricing was $54.92 and now the price is $51.08. So we've saved nearly $20 by buying in bulk. I'll show you one last thing, that when I add these to the cart, and you'll see that the shipping cost is zero. It's important to understand on this website that when you spend $150 or more, freight goes to nothing. That's all for this brief introduction to the plants and flowers section of the website. We do hope you enjoyed this brief tour. And remember, our range is always changing and being updated. So please don't be a stranger, and we hope you enjoy the shopping experience we've provided.